Now for display. Display type. Display size. Display resolution. Display PPI. Always on display. Display protection. Now for performance. Operating system. Chipset. CPU. GPU. RAM memory. Storage. Battery. Charging. Design and build. Height. Width. Thickness. Weight. Back protection. Dust and water resistant. SIM card. Speakers. Now for features. Sensors. Announced. Price. Results. Thanks for watching this video.